In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads with Nordvpn threat protection. If you're tired of being interrupted by annoying ads while browsing or want to enhance your online security, this guide will walk you through how to set up Nordvpn to block ads and trackers for a smoother internet experience. To get started, first download and install the Nordvpn app. Whether you're using Windows or Mac OS, it's a simple process. Go to the official Nordvpn website, download the version that suits your device, and follow the installation steps. Once installed, open the app. Now log in with your Nordvpn account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account on the Nordvpn website before continuing. After logging in, look at the left sidebar of the app and click the shield icon. This will take you to the threat protection settings. This is where the magic happens. Next, find the ad and tracker blocker option. This feature is designed to stop unwanted ads and trackers from following you online. Click on it and then simply turn it on. Once activated, Nordvpn will automatically start blocking ads, trackers, and even access to malicious websites. It can also scan your downloads for malware, keeping your system safe in real time. Everything works automatically in the background. You don't need to do anything else. And that's it. You've successfully set up Nordvpn threat protection to block ads. Now you can enjoy a cleaner, safer, and faster browsing experience. With Nordvpn's threat protection, you're not only improving your web experience, but also strengthening your online security. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful guides. Happy browsing!